What if you could build an AI-powered app without any data training? AI models like chatbots, translators, and content generators are now just one line of code away, thanks to Hugging Face. Hello everyone and welcome to Kanai's AI Lab. In this video, I will show you how to set it up and run powerful pre-trained AI models for text, speech, and more. By the way, what is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is a popular open source platform that brings the power of machine learning to everyone. No deep tech background needed. It was introduced in 2016 and become the go-to hub for cutting-edge AI models. Hugging Face gives you access of thousands of pre-trained models and applications that work right out of the box. Developers, data scientists, and even educators use it to build smarter applications without starting from scratch. Then what makes it truly special, which is the community. People from all over the world share models, dataset, and ready to use AI applications. It also supports collaboration through spaces, which letting you build and demo AI project with just a few clicks. Whether you are experimenting or launching something big, Hugging Face makes AI faster, easier, and more accessible. So here is the link for navigating into Hugging Face. So let me go to the web page. So for creating a Hugging Face application, you are creating an account first using your email ID. Once you are logged into the Hugging Face, this homepage provides the features like models, dataset, spaces, community, etc. So click on to the model and spaces one by one. When you click on to the model, which gives you thousands of pre-trained models. On the left side, you will find the filters for tasks like text classification, translation, image generation, etc. And on the right side, you will find matching model along with their download counts, licenses, and descriptions, etc. Same time in the space where you can explore or even host live interactive AI application using Gradio or Streamlit, which is perfect for demonstration, prototype, or sharing your own tools. Under the data sets, you can find huge collection of public data sets, which is ready to use for training, testing, or fine-tuning the model. And in the community, you can find creators, organizations, and collaborators. It's where the place of collaboration, feedback, and innovation come together. So everything is searchable, filterable, and designed to help you build smarter and faster. To try an image generation using Hugging Face, go to the space. So I'm heading over to the space and clicking the filter for image generation. Let me type image generation. You will find a lot of available application for image generation. Let me try one of them. So I am selecting one image generation application. Let me select this one. On the window, I can see a space where I need to add the text prompt. For a sample purpose, I am adding a text prompt like this. School friends are going a trip to space, which is really funny, right? So clicking onto the submit button, the model will generate an image based upon your description. In a few seconds, your AI generate an artwork which on the right side. So maybe you can experiment with multiple trials. So you will find very interesting pictures. So moving to the next one, which is nothing but models. So models on Hugging Face are designed to run directly in your code. So giving you more control than spaces where no code application with fixed interfaces. To explore language translation model. So when I need an application like a language translation, I need to click on model first, then clicking on the filter box for translate task, then I am giving a entry translation. So I can see translation button here. So now I can see on the right side lot of options available for the models for especially on the translation. I'm selecting one first. Maybe I can select Facebook NLLB 200 1.3b. So let me select this one. So this is a multilingual model that support over 200 languages. So once you are on the model page, you have to use this button, use this model, and go to Google Colab as your runtime environment. It will open a Google Colab network. So maybe a Jupyter notebook with some pre-filled code. So you have to install the library, which is transformer library. I'm just connecting with the transformer library. So this transformer is a deep learning architecture designed to understand and generate human languages. And it's the foundation of most modern languages. So the installation happened now. So after installing the transformer, we import the pipeline from the transformer library. We create a translation pipeline corresponding to the model, which is nothing but Facebook NLLB 200 1.3b. So we are going to install this particular pipeline and building a translation for pipeline. So let me run this. So this may take few minutes of time. So let's wait for completion of this particular run. Now we are ready with the pipeline for the translation function correspond to the model. So now let us load the model directly. So we are loading tokenizer and we are loading the model in this particular script. So let me run this script as well. So again, this may take another few minutes of time. So let us wait for that. Yeah, so the model loading is completed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the help of AI prompt generator within the Colab to create a sample inference. So I'm clicking that and giving a sample like translate one English sentence into 10 Indian region languages. So let me enter now. The codes are prepared. So I targeted languages, actually here are the targeted languages, and the English sentences, this is a sentence to translate. This is the script for translation from English to 10 Indian languages. Let me click on enter. So I executed the code. So and within seconds, I get the translations in Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, and more and more. So what the Hugging Face? So Hugging Face hosts thousands of models like this and spaces for application across the task like summarization, translation, and image generation, and more and more. So you can filter by task, language, or any framework, or you can search by just keyword. So start exploring, keep using it, and stay smarter for the future of AI. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for Kanai Sailor for more informative content on AI. See you in the next video.